All right, today we're gonna bring an outdoor indoor light, but then mostly outdoor. This is outdoor grade. This is pretty much a pair that you get, all right? And what you get is you get the backing itself, you get the hot, neutral, and ground, all right? Everything's included in there. All you gotta do is make sure you get the proper wire set up. Now, they include the LED lights. All right, they give you 4 of them because there's 2 pairs of these. We're gonna set up the LED lights, but in order to take them off, you need an Allen wrench. It's also included in the pack itself, so they give you the Allen wrench. We're gonna go ahead and open it up and install the actual light. So let's go ahead and do that. All right, let's take a look at the light entrances. All right, we have one here that we set up. Yeah, look at this. Beautiful blue on the top, green on the bottom. We could swap them out. They're shiny, very bright. And I'm gonna set up another one here on my entrance, but we're just setting up one right now. Very simple, easy to use. Hope you guys enjoy the video.